Namaste बच्चों. Hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to see lesson 11 part 11 Onam. Onam is the name of a festival. Okay ma. In this lesson we are going to see a boy named Sundaram who has celebrated Onam festival in his village that is in Kerala. Okay. So let us move on to the lesson. मैं सुंदरम हूँ. I am सुंदरम. मेरे पिताजी मस्कट में इंजीनियर हैं. Okay मैम. So can you see हैं? हैं ऊपर एक अम की मात्रा हैं. Okay मैम. Yes हैं. मेरे पिताजी. Whose father? Sundaram's father. Okay, Pitaji, father, Muscat. Muscat is the name of a place. Muscat में engineer हैं. Okay ma'am. Sundaram's father is working as an engineer in Muscat. मैं वहीं पढ़ता हूँ. Okay ma'am. Wherever my comes, whom will come. Okay. मैं, who is my here? Sundaram. Okay ma'am. मैं वहीं, वहीं माने कहाँ? मस्कट में. ओके, वहीं पढ़ता हूँ. सुंदरम is doing his studies in मस्कट. इस वर्ष मेरा परिवार ओणम का त्योहार मनाने के लिए अपने गांव आया है. इस वर्ष. ओके मैम. This year. मेरा परिवार, my family. परिवार माने family. My family. ओणम का त्योहार, that is ओणम festival. त्योहार माने festival. Okay मैम. ओणम का त्योहार, ओणम festival मनाने के लिए, to celebrate. अपने गांव, that is to their own village. आया है. Okay children. Yes, I will explain you again. Sundaram, okay, and his family, okay, they came to Kerala to celebrate the Onam festival. Okay, yes. बहुत सुंदर है हमारा गांव. गांव माने विलेज. ओके ना, हमारा गांव, our village. बहुत सुंदर. सुंदर माने ब्यूटीफुल. बहुत सुंदर means very beautiful. Okay. Our village is very beautiful. Who is telling? Sundaram. Okay ma'am. चारों तरफ फूल ही फूल दिखाई देते हैं. चारों तरफ माने all the four sides. Okay. Yes, that is all the four directions. Okay ma'am. Wherever Sundaram is standing, this side and that side, and he is looking all the sides. Okay. So when you see all the sides, he saw फूल ही फूल. फूल ही फूल माने क्या है? That there are so many flowers. Okay. दिखाई देते हैं. So in all the directions, the flowers are blooming around him. Okay ma'am. यहाँ आते ही हम ओणम की तैयारियां में व्यस्त हो गए. यहाँ कहाँ? गांव. ओके माँ. यहाँ आते ही, आफ्टर दे रीच द विलेज, हम ओणम की तैयारियां माने अरेंजमेंट्स. ओके माँ. ओणम की तैयारी में व्यस्त हो गए. ओके. दे themselves involved, they make themselves busy in making arrangements to celebrate the Onam festival. Okay, so as soon as they reached the village, what they did? They have started doing arrangements for the celebration of Onam. Okay, yes. हम बच्चे भी छोटे छोटे कामों में दादाजी और दादी जी की मदद करने लगे. ओके. हम बच्चे भी. बच्चे माने children. Okay ma, we children. B माने also, we children also. छोटे छोटे कामों, small works. Okay ma'am, that these small children, they used to help for their parents and grandparents, no? Yes. मैं दादाजी, dada grandfather. Okay ma, dadi grandmother. Children, whenever we address any elder peoples, we have to use G in Hindi. Okay, so दादा जी और दादी जी की मदद, मदद माने हेल्प, मदद माने हेल्प करने लगे. Okay, we children also help grandfather and grandmother in small works. Okay, that they are doing some help. Sundaram and other children. सारा गांव ही ओणम की तैयारियों में व्यस्त था. Okay, so now what Sundaram is telling, he saw the whole village. Okay ma, they are very busy in celebrating the Onam festival. They were doing some work in their home and outside of their home. They are making everything to celebrate the Onam festival. ओणम के दिन सुबह उठते ही माँ ने घर की सफाई की. Okay ma, on the day of Onam, the mother, okay, Sundaram's mother, as soon as she wake up, what she did? She has started cleaning the house. माँ ने बच्चों से कहा कि फूल चुन लाओ. The mother said to the children. Okay, what she said? That to bring some flowers. Chun lao, to pick some flowers from the garden. Okay, ma'am. Hamare laye phoolon. The flowers which these children they brought. Say Vishnu, Vishnu or Mahabali. Vishnu is the Lord Vishnu. Mahabali is the Lord Mahabali. Okay ma, Mahabali Chakravarti. की मूर्तियाँ, मूर्तियाँ माने idols. Okay ma, IDOLS, idols, statues सजाई गई. Okay ma, Lord Vishnu's idol and Lord Mahabali idol was decorated with those flowers which these children brought from the garden. इस दिन घर का मुखिया सबको नए वस्त्र देता है. इस दिन, कौन सा दिन? ओणम के दिन. ओके मा, दिन माने डे, ऑन दैट डे. ओके, घर का मुखिया, मुखिया माने चीफ, द हेड ऑफ द फैमिली. मुखिया सबको, सबको माने फॉर एवरीवन को नए वस्त्र माने न्यू क्लोथ्स देता है. ओके, द हेड ऑफ द family who gives the new dresses to all the members in the family. छोटे बच्चों को पीले वस्त्र पहनाए जाते हैं. Okay ma, so that is the yellow color dress. Okay ma, पीले वस्त्र माने yellow color dress. For these small children, they have given the yellow color new dress to wear. Okay ma, yes. दादाजी ने हम सबको नए वस्त्र दिया. I said मुखिया माने कौन है? Head of the family. Okay, so दादाजी is the मुखिया, elder of the family, elder one of the family. So what he did? He gave the new dress to the all the family members and also for these children. Okay, so दादाजी ने हम सबको to all, okay, for us नए वस्त्र न्यू क्लोथ्स दिए. नहा धोकर हमने नए वस्त्र पहने. ओके मा, नहा धोकर माने आफ्टर टेकिंग बाथ. ओके मा, बिकॉज दैट इज देयर फेस्टिवल. ओके, so they have taken bath before doing everything. नहा धोकर हमने नए वस्त्र न्यू क्लोथ्स पहने. We wear the new clothes after taking bath. नए पीले वस्त्रों में. Okay, all these children were wearing the yellow color clothes, new yellow color clothes. सब बसंत में खिले फूलों. बसंत माने spring season. Okay, ma'am. So on that time, the gardens will have so many flowers and the climate also will be very chill. Okay, बसंत में खिले माने bloom, फूलों, flowers. Okay, की तरह like सुंदर लग रहे थे. So all these children, they looks like the yellow color flowers in that new yellow color dress. Okay, ma'am. दादी जी, दादी माने grandmother, दादी जी और माँ and mother, grandmother and mother ने प्रसाद के लिए चावल के स्वादिष्ट पकवान बनाए. So the Sundaram is telling that his grandmother and his mother, they made many dishes. Okay, my eatables, pakwan. Okay, made by the rice. Okay, swadisht mane tasty, pakwan eatables. Okay, with the rice. उन्होंने नारियल के दूध की गुड़ वाली खीर भी बनाई. नारियल माने कोकोनट, नारियल के दूध माने कोकोनट मिल्क, गुड़ माने जैगरी. Okay, so what the mother did, she made a porridge. Okay, my खीर with coconut milk and jaggery. Okay, जो बहुत स्वादिष्ट थी, which was very tasty. Okay, Sundaram has written that this kheer is very tasty. Okay, yes. पूजा के बाद, after the prayer, okay, after the पूजा, हमें तरह तरह के पकवान, तरह तरह माने many kinds के पकवान, eatables खाने को मिले. Okay, ma'am. There were many dishes made on that day of Onam. Okay, ma'am. संध्या के समय. Okay, संध्या माने evening. संध्या के समय, the evening time, हम नौका दौड़ देखने गए. नौका दौड़ माने boat race. Okay, ma. So morning they woke up and they had bath and they were wearing the new dress. Okay, and mummy made many dishes, and after the prayer they had all those things and very happily they were enjoying the festival. And in the evening time, what they did, they went to see the boat race. Okay, ma'am. Yes, Aran Mula, the name of the place is Aran Mula Namak Stan. What is the name of the place, ma'am? Aran Mula. पर नौका दौड़ का आयोजन था. Okay, so this boat race, okay, has been arranged in the place Aran Mula. लंबी लंबी नौकाओं, नौकाओं माने बोट्स. okay, लंबी माने लॉन्ग बोट्स में 30-40, 30 माने 30, 40 माने 40, 30-40 नाविक, नाविक माने बोटमैन बैठे हुए थे. 30 to 40 boatmen were sitting in the boat. वे गीत गाते हुए बड़ी तेजी से चप्पू लगाकर एक दूसरे से आगे निकलने की होड़ में थे. Okay, ma. So those 30 to 40 boatmen were sitting in that long boat. What they were doing? They are singing a song. Okay, ma. That is evenly. All the 40 peoples are repeating the same lines, same sound. Okay, but he तेजी, तेजी माने fast, very fast. But चप्पू लगाकर, okay, they are riding the boat and एक दूसरे माने one another, एक दूसरे से आगे निकलने, आगे माने going forward. Okay, ma. So one another, they had the competition, they had the race. होड़ माने क्या है? Race. Okay, so they were riding the boat very fastly to win the race. Okay, yes. कभी कोई नाव आगे निकल जाती. Okay, if suppose sometimes one boat is going or moving forward. Okay, तो कभी कोई and then the other boat is going forward. Okay, because that is a race. Okay, so everyone wants to go first. तट पर, तट माने shore. Okay, तट पर खड़े लोग, खड़े माने standing, लोग माने peoples. The peoples were standing on the shore. Okay, तालियां बजा बजा कर, तालियां माने claps, बजाना, तालियां बजाना माने to clap. Okay मा, तालियां बजा बजा कर नाविकों का उत्साह बढ़ा रहे थे. Those people, they were standing on the shore. Okay, they were encouraging these people who were in the boat. Okay, they are clapping and encouraging them to come first. Okay, yes. जीते हुए नाविकों को फूल मालाएं पहनाई गईं. So one who won the race, okay, they were given the flower garland. Okay, हमें इस प्रतियोगिता को देखने में बहुत आनंद आया. हमें भी इस प्रतियोगिता माने कंपटीशन, प्रतियोगिता कंपटीशन को देखने में बहुत आनंद, आनंद माने हैप्पी, बहुत आनंद, वेरी हैप्पी. वी फेल्ट वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दिस कंपटीशन. ओके मैम. दादाजी ने कहा, द ग्रैंडफादर सेड कि माने दैट रात को. ओके मैम, मॉर्निंग सुबह दे डिड द अरेंजमेंट्स फॉर द ओनम फेस्टिवल and दोपहर afternoon they had a great lunch. Okay ma, yes. Then Sandhya, evening time they went and saw the boat race. Now night, raat. Okay, raat. What the grandfather said कि रात को कथकली नृत्य देखने जाएंगे. कथकली is the name of a dance. Okay ma, like Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali is also a famous dance. Kathakali nritya, nritya माने dance. Kathakali nritya देखने जाएंगे. We will go. The grandfather said, we will go and see Kathakali dance in the night. Okay, yes. कथकली नर्तकों, नर्तकों माने डांसर्स, कथकली नर्तकों ने अपने मुंह पर, मुंह माने फेस पर कई रंग लगा रखे थे. ओके, दे अप्लाई मेनी कलर्स ऑन ऑल ओवर द फेस. राक्षस बने नर्तक बहुत भयानक लग रहे थे. राक्षस माने डेमन. ओके, वन dancer, one Kathakali dancer looks like Rakshas. Okay, so what Sundaram is telling, he was very scared to see that dancer, the dancer who looks like a demon. Okay ma'am, yes. मैं तो उन्हें देखते ही डर गया. डरना माने scared, got fear. Okay, so he got scared of seeing that dancer. चाचा जी उनकी तस्वीरें खींचने में व्यस्त थे. ओके, चाचा, चाचा जी माने अंकल. ओके, my uncle was very busy in taking photos, okay, of those dancers. मैं ये तस्वीरें अपने साथ ले जाऊंगा. What Sundaram is telling, I will take all those pictures along with me. और अपने मित्रों को दिखाऊंगा. And I will show those pictures to my friends. दादी जी ने ओणम की कथा भी सुनाई. Children, there is a story behind the Onam festival. Okay ma'am, see that story is available in our channel. If you are free and when you have time, you can check that Onam lesson in our channel. Okay ma'am, yes. यह है राजा महाबली के प्रजा प्रेम की कहानी. राजा महाबली, okay, is the king Mahabali's story, is the story behind the Onam festival. Okay, that is to show the affection, okay, of Raja Mahabali towards his citizen. Okay, praja mane citizen, praja prem mane the affection of Raja Mahabali towards his citizen. Okay ma, yes. इस बार ओणम का त्योहार मनाकर जो आनंद आया वैसा पहला कभी नहीं आया. Now what Sundaram is telling, this time, okay, the happiness which I got on celebrating this Onam festival, which I never got. Okay, so he has written in this in his experience that he was very happy in celebrating this Onam festival with his family who were there in the village. Okay ma'am, yes. परिवार के साथ त्योहार मनाने का आनंद अनोखा होता है. Okay, that is परिवार माने फैमिली, के साथ माने विथ, परिवार के साथ त्योहार मनाने का आनंद, the happiness. Okay, मनाना माने सेलिब्रेट, त्योहार माने फेस्टिवल, अनोखा माने यूनिक. Now I will explain you children again. परिवार माने फैमिली, परिवार के साथ, साथ माने विथ, त्योहार फेस्टिवल, मनाना माने टू सेलिब्रेट, का आनंद हैप्पी, अनोखा होता है. Okay, uncomparable, that is celebrating the festival with our own family is uncomparable. Okay ma, this is what Sundaram has written as his experience which he had in his village, okay, while celebrating the Onam festival. Okay children, so you children, when you grown up, okay, wherever you are, please come and join with your family on the days of festivals to celebrate with them and make them also happy, and you also can feel the same happiness. Okay children, hope you understood this lesson very well. Please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you children. Dhanyavad.